Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, how to save that? Sir, how to save that file in Chrome?
Chrome? We didn't save it in
Excuse
Chrome.
me, sir.
We have given the file format as
Excuse me, sir.
HTML. Neither. We have given the file format as HTML. Then it has saved like that. Okay. Ask Pudha.
Okay.
Sir, now I joined. Did you say something?
No. I didn't tell anything. Just now we have started again. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Now, again, we'll move to that file. So I'll go to here. Now you all can see here. Okay. Right. Now this is my web page. So like that, you also can create web pages. Okay. This is one web page. Like this, you can create many web pages. You can insert the image. You can insert the text. How you can change the color of this one? How you can change the color of this one? You can give the command. You can give the command. Here we have given font size. Then if you want to change the color, you can give color. COLOR. U is not there. Okay. British English and the American English. So I'll give here red. Okay. So I have given font color red. So I'll take file, save, and I'm minimizing here. Now what will happen? Here when you go to the file, you can see it is red now. It is red. Okay. It is red. So like that you can do many different changes. One by one we'll do. Harada? Then mama monada kiyaki hiriye. What I have mentioned you. I have mentioned you here. What is the name of this window? May window එක මොකක් කියලාද කිව්වේ? What is the name of this window? May window එකට මොකක් කියලාද කිව්වේ?
It's the File Explorer.
Very good, very good. Sorry. That is File Explorer. So what are the control buttons in here? What are the control buttons?
Minimize, maximize, close, and minimize, maximize, rotate.
Restore. Very good. Minimize, maximize, and close. As well as restore. Very good. What are the files in this HTML folder? HTML folder එක ඇතුළේ තියෙන files ටික මොනවාද? How many files are there? 6 files are there. How many files are there?
6 files.
6 files are there. Name some different files. මොනවාද තියෙන different files?
TXT files.
Yes. JPG file. HTML file. So there are 3 different file types are there. What are the 3 different types of files? JPG, HTML, TXT.
And
JPG, XTM, TXT.
TXT. Can you all understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So,
sir.
all these files are there inside the HTML folder. The HTML folder එක තමයි තියෙන්නේ. When you click on this location, the path, this is we are calling as a path. What is the path? Inside the D drive, grade 7 HTML. නේද? හරි නේද? කවුරු හරි මේක ඇඳලා පෙන්නන්න කිව්වොත් එහෙම කොහොමද ඇඳලා පෙන්නන්නේ? So you are having D drive. Last week we have done this. Then here you are having what? Grade 7 folder. Inside grade 7 folder you are having what? HTML. Inside HTML, what are the files that you are having? Many files are there, no? First one, butterfly.jpg. Second one, myfirst.html. I have given the short names. The next one will be what?
myfirst.txt.
Yes.
New
Next
text
one?
document.
Yeah,
TXT.
new document.txt. Next
Rose
one?
JPG.
Rose.jpg.
Rose1.jpg.
Very good.
Rose1.jpg.
Yes, 1.jpg. Right? So you can see inside the HTML folder, you are having many different files. What are the types of files? JPG, HTML, and TXT.
HTML.
Can you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Hey, brother. Okay. Now
Yes.
you all know, you have seen how to create the web pages. It is really easy, right? I'll show you and I'll teach you how to develop the web pages too. කොහොමද web pages හදන්නේ කියලා දෙන්න. You can create your own web page. ඔයාගේ website එකක් ඔයාලට හදාගන්න පුළුවන්. Okay? Right. So now I'll close this one. Right, I'm closing this one and I'll clear my screen. Right, and close this one. And again from here, I'll disable this one. Okay. Now, here I have my document. Right. Okay, last week you all have asked, right, what are the different file formats? What these ones are stands for. Text files. Now you all know what is the extension of text files? What is the extension of text file? TXT, right?
TXT files.
Yeah, TXT files. Okay, right? TXT files. Now here, what is this file? Graphics interchange format. What is this? Graphic interchange format. So we can take something like this. Have you seen this one?
Graphic.
Yes. GIF. What is this? GIF.
GIF.
Have you seen this GIF files? Graphic interchange format. Have you seen this GIF files? Have you seen this file? What is this? Joint Photographic Expert Group. So I'm taking JPEG. Have you seen this kind of files? JPEG files?
No.
Have you seen this file? Portable document format. Portable document format. Have you seen this PDF files?
Yes, sir.
Ah, right, good. Now, have you seen MPV4? MP4 files? Last week I have mentioned MPV4. MP3, have you seen?
Yes, sir.
MP3 is audio files. MP4 is video files. Last week I have said you, right? Now here, what is this? Hypertext markup language. HTML. Have you seen HTML files? Have you seen HTML files?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. There are some another file, CSS. Later I'll explain about that. Okay. So these are different file formats. Okay. These are different file formats. Why we need these file formats? To identify the file type. Neither. May file type එකත් එක්කලා neither. You can tell this is a image file. This is a portable file, PDF. This is a GIF file. So there's something, some meaning is there පුතා. මේකේ තේරුමක් තියෙනවා. මේ හැම ෆයිල් එකක්ම අඳුර ගන්න ඕන. මොකද කම්පියුටරෙන් මේක අඳුර ගන්න ඕනේ. කම්පියුටරේ අපි වගේ නෙමෙයිනේ. එයාට ඩිසිෂන්ස් ගන්න බැහැනේ. නේද? එතකොට එයාට මේ ෆයිල්ස් ටික අඳුර ගන්න it is using some format, file format. TXT, GIF, JPEG, PDF, neither. Portable network graphics, PNG, neither. Have you seen PNG files? PNG. Have you seen PNG
No.
files? No. කියපුවම දෙන්න ඕනේ දැන්. ගුටි දෙක තුනක්. ඔන්න බලන්න. Paint. How many times we have taken the paint? So I'm taking neither. ඔන්න මම අදිනවා. Right? So I have river picture. Now I am going to save this one. May paint එකේ file save as අන්න දැන් තියෙන ඔක්කොම ටික. PNG file, JPEG file, BMP file, නේද? GIF files. මේ තියෙනේව නේද? මේ අපි කතා කරපු ඒවා නේද? PNG, JPEG, BMP and GIF. Different files are there. දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ දන්නවා TXT නේද? ඒවා තියෙන්නේ කොහෙද කියන එක. So I am saving PNG picture. Right? So I'll move to my grade 7 folder. Grade 7 HTML එක ඇතුළේ මම දෙනවා මේකේ නම මේකත් මම දෙන්න my first කියලා. දෙන්න පුළුවන්ද my first කියලා? Can you give my first?
Can't, sir.
I'm giving my first. Oh no, save වුණානේ. Save වුණානේ.
Cancel because
Why?
it's a separate document.
It is a separate document. Very good. Correct. I'm going to Explorer. I'm going to D. I'm going to grade 7 folder, HTML folder. Now you can see here. My first.html, my first.png, my first.txt. Different file format. You can save. You can save. Same type again පුළුවන්ද? Same type දෙන්න පුළුවන්ද?
No, sir.
No, you
It's the
can't
same
use.
document.
Yeah. Right, very good. හරි නේද? තේරුණා නේද මම මේ කියපු දේ? Okay. Now you all have to read this one. මේක කියවන්න එක සරයක්. මේක තියෙන එක. Can you all see this one?
Yes, sir.
Right, read it.
Yes.
හිමීට mic එක mute කරලා just read it. Read කරන්න හොඳට මොනවද තියෙන්නේ කියලා. Text txt. This file is not formatted and can be opened in any type of word processor. Any type of word processor. We have discussed this. හරිද? මම text file එකක් අරගෙන HTML එකනුත් දැන් open කරලා පෙන්නුවා. WordPad එකකින් open කරුවා. MS Word එකකින් open කරුවා. So normal text file
Excuse me,
එකක්.
sir, you are not clear for me.
I can't hear you properly, Puta. Tell me. මට කියපු එක ඇහුන්නේ. Can you see this document, Puta? Can you see this document?
Yes, sir. We can.
Yeah. If you have any doubt, just ask Puta. මොනවා හරි ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා අහන්න. Right, okay. Read with me. හරිද? ඔක්කොමලා read කරමු. Text file. This file is not formatted and no. Mute කරලා කියමු පුතා. Mute කරලා කියමු. Mute කරලා කියමු. Right? Text file txt. This file is not formatted and can be opened in any type of word processor. Any type of word processor again, it can be Notepad, it can be WordPad, it can be Word, MS Word. ඕන එකකින් open කරන්න පුළුවන් මේ txt file එකක්. මතක තියාගන්න. හරිද? txt file එකක් ඕන එකකින් open කරන්න පුළුවන් කියන එක තමයි ඔය කියලා තියෙන්නේ. ඕන එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? ඕනම text edit එකක්. ඕනම text edit එකක්. හරිද? Right. බලන්න ඊට පස්සේ තියෙනවා rich text format. Rich text format. A file type that save some of formatting with the text. A file type that saves some of the formatting with text. මොකක්ද මේ format කියලා කියන්නේ? දැන් මම බලන්නම් මෙන්න මේක මම මෙන්න මේක highlight කරනවා. Highlight කරලා I am changing the size of this one. Then I am changing the style of this one. Then I am changing the color of this one. Then I am changing the highlight color of this one. Okay, something like
Formatting means the changes we
Yeah.
do during a text.
yes, changing the format of this one. Styles, the font size. Now I am bold this. I am underlining this. Right? So like that, what you can do, whatever things that you want, you can do. If I want to center, I am centering. Now you can see I have applied some text. What? Formatting. Neither. Text formatting කියන්නේ මෙන්න මේකට තමයි. මේවා just text. මේවා just text. මේවා නිකන් text එකක්. මේ දෙවෙනි එකට මොකද කරේ? I have applied some formats.
Formatting within the text.
Yes. What are the format I have applied? Bold,
Highlighted, bold,
yes. Text style I have changed. Font color I have changed.
Underline.
size,
Yes. Size I have changed.
highlighted,
Yes. Can you understand that?
color of the letters.
Yes. Good. Can you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Right. Good.
Sir, should we write that note?
No need. No need. Still no, you are not writing anything. Okay. Tell me.
Sir, due to a connection problem, I lost the meeting. What did sir do?
Still we are doing the same thing, Buddha. This
Okay,
is
sir.
Metuja, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Metuja, now only we have started and we are reading this document, right? I have showed how to change the format of this one. Text format එකක් වෙනස් කරන්නේ කොහොමද කියලා. Now think you want to put some format. So what I can do from here, I can change my font style. I can apply font color. Okay, and I can underline. I can bold it. So like that, I can change the size of the text. Like that, I can do many things. Okay, this is we are calling as formatting. Applying some changes to the font. Right. Now we are in graphic interchange format. Where we have used this one, Buddha? මේක කොහෙද පාවිච්චි කරන දැක්කේ graphic interchange format කියන එක GIF කියන එක?
In files.
In
File. When saving the file.
no, where we have seen this one? MS Paint.
Yes.
Can you all remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. When saving a photo on it.
Yes. Right now you can see format stores still or moving images and is efficient at storing using smaller file size, especially with large block of colors. Can you understand? Now they are mentioning here GIF කියන එක පාවිච්චි වෙන්නේ මොකටද? File store කරන්න. It can be a picture or moving image. A small file size, especially with large blocks. ඔන්න මතක තියාගන්න ඕන GIF කියන එක. Then you are having joint photographic expert group. What is this? What is this one? I'm taking format painter and clicking on this. The same format has applied now. Joint photographic expert group. This is also small file size. Widely used in web pages. Web pages වල පාවිච්චි වෙන file එකක් නේද? I have mentioned you last week, if you are taking the file from your camera, think about your mobile phone. Mobile phone එකෙන් ගත්තොත් මොකක්ද වෙන්නේ? Mobile phone එකෙන් ගන්න image එකේ capacity එක සෑහෙන්න ලොකුයි නේද? It has larger capacity. But when you consider about the JPG file, the file size is very small.
File.
Right? Small file size. ඇයි අපිට small file size එකක් ඕන වෙන්නේ ඉන්ටර්නෙට් එකේදී? Why data? නේද? මේ හැම එකක්ම කරන්න කොච්චර data යනවද? නේද? Think about YouTube video. If you are going to view the YouTube video, sometimes it will take 200 megabytes. නේද? Capacity. So that is we are calling as the data. නේද? එහෙනම් image එකක් දානවා නම් බලන්න මේ image වල කොච්චර ලස්සනද කියලා. අපි ගත්තොත් එහෙම අපේ image එක ගත්තොත් එහෙම මොනවාද තිබුණේ JPG නේද ඔක්කොම තිබුණේ JPG file බලන්න මේකේ කොච්චර ලස්සනද කියලා JPG නේද නමුත් මේකේ file capacity එක පොඩි නේද it is with small capacity මම මෙතන ගෙනියන්න what is the capacity of this one
It's 409 KB.
Very good. What is the capacity of this one?
46.0
46.0 KB.
Yes. බලන්න මේකේ ලස්සන. මේක මම ලොකු කරනවා එන්න. ලොකු කරන්න මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ මේකේ quality එක?
වැඩි වෙනවා.
quality එක වැඩි වෙනවද අඩු වෙනවද?
අඩු වෙනවා.
quality එක අඩු වෙනව නේද?
වැඩි වෙනවා.
quality එක අඩු වෙනවා.
Excuse me, sir. There are 12 roses.
Yes. There are different types of roses. Yes. අපි හදපු ඒවා නේද? Rose here. This one. When I am making bigger, what will happen? The quality එක අඩු වෙනවා. නේද? quality එක අඩු වෙනවා මේ. දැන් quality එක වැඩි.
Low.
So, sir, for example, when we are in a Zoom meeting, when we increase the size of the screen, the quality is low.
Yes. Not only that. Yes. Zoom meeting also the same thing. You know why? Because we are transferring a lot of data. මේක ඉවරුණයින් පස්සේ බලන්නකො අපි ඔක්කොමලගේ මේ කොච්චර data කැපෙනවද කියලා. අම්මලගෙන් අහලා බලන්නකො කොච්චර data කැපෙනවද කියලා. නේද? If you are using Google Meet මේකට වඩා data කැපෙනවා. why? Because of the quality of the meeting. meeting එකේ තියෙන quality එකත් එක්කලා. ඒක තමයි ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඔක්කොමලටම දෙයි. දැන් මම නම් කිව්වේ Zoom එකට මාරුණායින් පස්සේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඔක්කොමලටම වීඩියෝස් ටික on කරගන්න කියනවායි කියලා. නේද? අපි ඔක්කොමලා වීඩියෝස් ටික on කරුවොත් එහෙනම් මොකක්ද වෙන්නේ? ඒ data නේද? capacity එක යනවා. නේද? data ටික ගන්නවා. ඔන්න හොඳට හිතලා බලන්න මම මේ කියන දේවල්. Okay, so here you are having graphics interchange, so that means the GIF ne different files are there. pdf කියලා කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? ඕගොල්ලෝ මේ දවස් ටිකේ ඉස්කෝලේදී ගොඩක් වෙලාවට පාවිච්චි කරන files නේද pdf කියලා කියන්නේ?
document format.
Yeah, portable document format. Portable document format, a document that has been converted into image format, following allowing it to be seen on most computers. මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ? මේ PDF එකක් විදිහට සේව් කරුවම පුතා ඕනම කම්පියුටර් එකක මේක ඕපන් කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Now see what they are mentioning here. A document that has been converted into an image format. Image format එකට convert වෙලාලු. ඔන්න බලන්න මම කරන දේ පුතා file save as I am giving here behalf of Word document. Behalf of Word document, I am saving this thing as a PDF file. PDF. Harada? Now I am saving that. Save. Okay, I have saved it. Now I'll show you.
When we save it in a PDF document, we can do more formatting than when we are in a Word document. Like
not like that. Okay. When we have saved that one, okay. Now we'll go to our file where I have saved. Sketch Monday, March 22. Okay, this is my PDF file. Now I am opening this one. Okay, double click and open. Now what is this? This is a image එකක්. Okay, so they have given a document that has been converted into an image format. දැන් මේක මොකද වෙන්නේ? ඕනම කම්පියුටර් එකක ඔයාලා ඕන කෙනෙක්ට MS Word කියන එක නැති වුණා. ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ කම්පියුටර්ස් වල එහෙම නැත්නම් මොබයිල් ෆෝන් එකකින් වුණත් මේක ඕපන් කරගන්න පුළුවන් නේද? මම දැන් මේක එවුවොත් එහෙම ඔයගොල්ලන්ට what you can do? You can open this one in your mobile phone because this supported softwares are there in your mobile phone. නේද? ඒතකොට Word කියන එක නැහැ සමහරකට mobile phone එකේ Word කියන එක දාගන්න නැහැ. Right? But you can open this one and you can read this document. You can read this document. මේ document එක මේ විදිහටම read කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Can you understand that? හරිද? ලොකුවට තේරුම් ගන්න අවශ්‍යතාවයක් නැහැ. But you have to remember we are having different files. නේද? Different files. HTML, different files are there with different names, with different data types. තියෙනවා. But can you save the same file name with same type in the same location? You can't. Okay. Now when you consider about this text file, you can right click and you can open it with WordPad. Here you can open it with WordPad. You can open it with Notepad. You can open it with Notepad. You can open it with MS Word. ඒවට අපි කියන word processing නේද? text processing එහෙම නැත්නම් text editing softwares. මම කියන එක හරියට තේරුම් ගන්න ඕනේ. හරිද? So different file formats are there. මේ files ටික ඔක්කොම අපි පාවිච්චි කරන ඒවා. Portable network graphics. What is this? Portable network graphics කියලා කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? A format that complex graphics without any loss of image quality. It is more suitable. It is the most used lossless compression format for internet images. මේ PNG file එක දැකලා තියෙනවද කොහේ හරි කාරේ? Where you have seen this PNG files? කාට හරි කියන්න පුළුවන්ද? Can anyone tell? Yes. Can anyone tell about this PNG file? Where you have seen PNG?
PNG file, we can save a snip and sketch when we go to PNG file.
What is the application Pudha we are using?
Snip and sketch.
No. Here, what we have used? We have typed here, paint, right? Now, no call a mother file. When you go to save, what is this? PNG, right? PNG, JPG, BMP, GIF. මේ පොඩි කාලේ ඉඳලා MS Paint එක කරනවා. දැන් මේව මතක තියා ගන්න ඕනේ දැන්. grade 7 එකේදී මේ file extensions ටික මතක තියා ගන්න ඕනේ. different file extensions. different file extensions. මේවල නම් මතක තියා ගන්න දෙයක් නැහැ. ඒත් අපි පාවිච්චි කරන ඒවා මතක තියා ගන්න. Right? Different file PNG. Right? Portable network graphic. Right? Then when you consider about the videos, what is the file format of videos? MPV4. What is the long form? Moving Picture Expert Group. Moving Picture Expert Group. MP4. What is this one? What is this one? MP3. Why we are using MP3?
MP3.
Storing audio
files.
Here storing what? Used to storing video files. Can you understand this? MP4 means video files. MP3 means audio files. Audio කියන්නේ මොකද ඔය සින්දු අහන්නේ? Video එක නැතුව?
Yes, sir.
Right? Then the videos that you are looking for, whatever the videos that you are watching, the cartoons, films and other things, MP4. Right? Then you all know about the
CSS.
HTML. Yes, CSS later we'll tell. Talk about this CSS. What is it? HTML?
HTML.
Hypertext markup language. Why we are using hypertext markup language? HTML? To design web pages.
Display information. Web pages.
Yes, we are using HTML for what purpose? To design
web pages.
Can you understand? To design web pages. Okay, Nether. I have showed you. So this is the web page that we have developed. Nether. Api design karpu web page. This is the page that we have designed. Make the page with the help of the notepad. Nether. With the help of the notepad. Here we have the notepad. We have typed some command. We have typed some commands. With the help of these commands, what you can do? With the help of this command, you can tell to the web page. You can give the command to the Google Chrome. Okay, you can give the command to the Google Chrome to display this one. Display karanna kiyala. Can you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Hari. Right. Then onno okkoma nama hondara therenne ඇති. Then mama questions ටිකක් දෙන්නයි යන්නේ. Okay? Right. This one. Okay. So here you have. Can you all see this image?
Yes, sir.
Right. Put the date. Right. Write the date on your book. I'll give this document. Take the printout and paste it. Okay. Now you have to write the questions and the answers. Okay. You have to write the questions and the answers.
Excuse me, sir. අපි මේ පින්තූරය අලවන්න ඉඩ තියන්න.
ඉඩ තියාගන්න පුතා. පින්තූරය අලවන්න ඉඩ තියාගන්න. Okay.
Teacher, should we write the questions too?
Yes. You have to write the questions.
So do you putting this one to the group?
Yes. I'll put this one to the group. Make a part of me. I'll put it to the group.
So do we want to paste that?
Yes. You have to paste this. Take a printout of this one and paste this one on your book before the questions.
Okay.
Just leave some space. Again, another 10 minutes time.
Sir, we want to write the questions too, no?
Yes, you leave some space to paste this one, and now you write the question and write the answer.
Sir, are you sending this?
Yes, I'll send
Sir,
it to
do
the
we
group.
want to? Sir, do we want to do it now?
Yes, yes. Now we are going to discuss
Okay.
all the things that we have done now in this question. දැන් මට ඕනේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේ උත්තර ටික ටක් ගාලා ලියන්නයි ඕනේ මේ question එකට. Okay, up to K is there නේ. K වෙන කලින් තියෙනවා. You have to write the answers now.
Sir, do we want to write only the answers?
No, Puta, you have to write the question and the answers. I'll give this paper, I'll give this document to you, right? But still, you have to write the question and the answer. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Because this is required for your exam. Exam එකට යද්දි මේවා ටික දැනගෙන යන්න ඕනේ. That's why. It has to be in your book.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Puta.
After Kadvi's meeting, do we want to log again?
Yes, yes. We have to discuss these
Excuse
questions.
me, sir.
Okay.
No.
You all have to log, Puta, because we have to discuss these questions. After discussing only, we are finishing the class. very simple things. All the things that we have discussed now. Mama then explain කරපු ඔක්කොම ටික තමයි මෙතන තියෙන්නේ. Remember, you don't want to buy hard that formats, file formats ටික buy hard කරන්න දෙයක් නැහැ. ආ කටපාඩම් කරන්න දෙයක් නැහැ කොයි වෙලාවවත්. I have given because day to day life you are using that file format. MS Paint එක ඔයගොල්ලන් පාවිච්චි කරනවා. Notepad එක you are using. Web pages you are using. හරිද? ඒ හින්දා තමයි මම ඔය file format ටික දුන්නේ. And the documents PDF. These days you are using PDF. ඉස්කෝල වලින් එවන්නේ මොනවද? PDF files නේ. So you are downloading the PDF and you are taking the printouts of PDF. Now what I am doing, I am sharing with you the PDF file. I am sending it to the group, the PDF file. So you all can use that. You can view that.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Puta.
Sir, is this PC is a drive?
This PC? No.